A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ink. J for jar. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pen. Q for question. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yak. And Z for zebra.